Hello, my Poraholic tribe. This is Loida. I am here having a little walk with my dog Arlo, and just wanted to come in and introduce myself to those of you that maybe don't know who I am, and wanted also to welcome everyone into this new group that I've created, the Embellished Acrylic Pours. So I'm hoping to maybe, get to know your names. And I know, these groups can get a little bit big and it's going to be a little bit hard, but hopefully I can at least, get to know some of your faces. And this group is not just for me. It's not just, for me to post. It's a group where everyone can post. So I want you guys to feel free to post your embellished pours, basically. Um, Ideas of, if you see something, an acrylic pour that maybe you liked from someone else and maybe you want to replicate it, ideas that you can share, anything that has to do basically with acrylic or embellishing acrylic pours. And you are free also to share your creations. You're free to sell your creations in this group. However, there are some rules regarding that. We just don't want to clog up the feed with just, sales and sales. So I've limited those sales to just Saturdays. Okay, so just Saturdays, and you can only do one post. But in that post, you can just cram a bunch of your paintings that you've created and that maybe you want to sell. So you can just pack them all in into one post, and then you can do that every Saturday. I want to encourage you in your, in your acrylic pouring journey. So if you want to sell those, you're welcome to do that on Saturdays. And, everybody has different, different talents. Everybody has different ways of embellishing pours. So I might like someone's pours and maybe would want to purchase one. So that's why, I decided, okay, let's just, even though we're all creators, maybe we want to, support each other in that aspect. And feel free to invite other people in or tell them about this new group so that they can come and join us. And, the more, the merrier. So I don't know. I know some of you are on my email list. You've visited my blog. Some of you have found me on on my YouTube channel. If you're not too familiar with me, I'm just gonna, oh, hi, I see Robin there. Hi, Robin. I'm kind of new to this live thingy. So I don't really know if there's a way to see a chat in here. I know that you're watching. I'm not really sure if there's a chat. But anyways, hello to everyone that's watching live, or if you're not watching live, welcome to you. Welcome to um, this new group. So I wanted to just kind of also introduce myself about, who I am and what this group is about. I kind of already said what the group is about, sharing everything regarding embellishing acrylic pours. But I'm also going to be sharing some tips about embellishing pours, some material stuff that I maybe find or use, stuff that I really, really enjoy. Maybe in the future, I might be doing some or selling some bling boxes. So some boxes where maybe there's some, they're just going to be jam packed with some glitter and rocks and sparkly stuff. But for now, those are not done yet. They might come in the future, but it's just going to be anything bling related, embellishment related here in this group. And so, who am I? Well, I started acrylic pouring, let's see, about 4 years ago, I think. I haven't kept track really, but yeah, it's been a while. And I really started because I was going through a rough time. I lost a baby. a pregnancy. And during that time, it was just a really hard time. And I was going through some other ailments, some other physical ailments. I was losing hair. I was, um, I got a really bad orthodontist and he ruined my teeth. And so I lost four of my teeth in the process. So I was feeling pretty crappy myself. I was feeling sad because of my, physical ailments. Didn't have teeth. My hair was falling off. I had a ton of dark spots coming in, on my face and my back, and health, issues where I didn't really feel great. Um, and I think everything came, well, not the teeth, but the other stuff came because I was just so stressed because I had lost that baby and I was just basically sad. And so, anyways, that sadness probably lasted like about a year and a half. I was just super, super sad and crying all the time. And I found acrylic pouring. So that's when I was looking, I think, at YouTube, or I don't even remember where I came across um, acrylic pouring first. But I saw it and I was like, oh man, that looks super fun. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna try this. I'm going to give it a try. It just looks fun, and I've always kind of liked doing, you know, artsy stuff. But I've never been really uh, too good at drawing, or like, yeah, I can draw maybe a few things, but it's not like I don't have that talent. I can't draw. So um, I just thought, well, this looks pretty cool, and I can get some pretty amazing paintings without knowing how to draw just by pouring paint. So I decided to give it a try, and that just kind of helped me feel happy all over again and see life with a new perspective, right? Because I was failing most of the times when I started pouring. I was Sometimes things didn't come. Sorry, I'm just um, a little teary-eyed here. Um, but things didn't really turn out how I thought they would turn out. I had this vision in my mind, and then all of a sudden, one of my paintings failed, or it looked ugly, and then I try to fix those, and I saw that um, I learned that even though I made mistakes, right? Even though, sorry, let me pull my doggy here. So even though I made mistakes and I failed over and over, and sometimes those paintings didn't look as great as I thought, I started kind of feeling like that painting. You know, Sometimes I felt like that painting. I didn't feel pretty. I didn't feel like I was worth it. Sometimes my life was a mess. And so I started comparing myself to that painting and started relating to how I was feeling and what I was learning through painting. And I started to realize that, hey, sometimes I can make these messy paintings turn out to look really beautiful. I can embellish them. I can add something to it. And, or sometimes maybe I just don't like it and somebody else does. And so sometimes these mistakes just help me learn, or they turn out to not really be mistakes after all, because I could add something and then fix it and it would look beautiful. So then I started to think, well, all these things that I'm going through, my sadness, my life, um, all these hard things that I've had to go through, they're probably there for a purpose. And, I'm beautiful just the way I am. And my master, the person, the guy, the God, whoever you want to call him, the universe, whoever you believe in, um, he that created me uh, knew who I was and loved me exactly how I was. And he was just the master of my life. And yes, there's some flaws here and there, but he knew that I was beautiful. And so I started to accept myself. Yes, I still have some, you might not believe it, but I have hair loss that is happening. I'm just really good at covering it sometimes. But, I still have a few ailments. I have fake teeth, so I still have a bunch of black dark spots in my back. My health is a little bit better. I'm trying to take care of myself, and I just learned to accept my flaws, the stuff that I really can't change or can't do, much about it. And that's how painting, acrylic pouring helped me. It's just been a relief, and it's just been a great blessing in my life to do something that I really, really love, and that I can have fun with, and that I can just pour all my stress out, and um, basically just be who I am at that moment without having to worry about anything else that is going in this world. So I just wanted to share that with you in case you didn't know who I am or how I started acrylic pouring. And I'm hoping that maybe you can share your story with us too about how you found out about acrylic pouring, how you started acrylic pouring, what's your story, where do you live? Well, I've already asked that, so I know where most of you are coming from, which is great. Lots of US and also from other parts of the world. So that is awesome. I'm just so happy to have all of you guys here. And yes, I encourage you to share your story in this group. I think you can do a Facebook Live. I, I know you can upload videos and do blog posts. You can just post here as well, put a picture and maybe write something. So if you're a little shy, don't want to do a video, you're more than welcome to type it out, put a picture of you so we can get to know who you are and a little bit of your backstory. And let me see. I don't know what else I wanted to share. Yeah, just wanted to say hi, welcome everyone, and also remind you of the rules. Please, let's be nice in this group. We don't want to bully anyone. We are all here to learn. Like I said, sometimes we make mistakes. Sometimes something that I might create, someone else might not really like it, and vice versa. So we're just here to encourage each other. If you see something that you don't really like, just keep on scrolling. Don't really, let's not be mean. And I'll be in here, a few times a week. But also, like I said, feel free to make your own posts and share your stuff, because I really, really want to see your creations. I really, really want to see and learn from you guys as well. So I'm encouraging you all to, just become active in this group and be involved. And please share, please comment, and let's uplift everyone else, and let's just learn. Let's learn together. See you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.